This is a live look at I-70 in Howard County from our Live Drive 11. State highway officials say be careful if you have to drive this weekend. They say those strong winds could lead to downed trees and traffic signal outages. They also urge you to check the status of the roads before you head out and make sure you have what you need in your car.
We realize some folks do have to go out. Use those resources I gave you on roadstopmaryland.gov, but also clean your car completely off. Make sure it's winter ready. Tires are good. Vehicle lighting systems are good. And you have plenty of fuel. Maybe bring a kit with you with a blanket, a flashlight, protein bars, that type of thing.
Officials say if you do get stuck on a state highway, pull off as far away from the road as you can and stay in your car. They say to call 911 or pound 77 for help. Our winter weather guide has driving tips and a list of emergency items that you should always have in your car, like Charlie was talking about. That's in the WBAL TV 11 News. Just tap weather.